What's up everyone? Welcome back to another vlog. I think this is just gonna be a day in my life, but spring is in full-fledged in New Jersey and we're doing another spring activity. So right now we're driving and we're 2 minutes away, not even like 30 seconds away, from Holland Ridge Farms in Creamery in Western Monmouth County, and I've been here a few times. In the spring they do tulips, so I'm really excited because I love going to this. And then in the fall they also do sunflowers, so that's really pretty as well. I think it goes on for a few weeks, so if you guys want to check it out, I'll link it in the description box down below, and you have to reserve tickets. They're $15 a person. They also have like food vendors and some farm animals as well. Yeah, we're gonna check that out. They do smell really good. Just like all plopped out and got everywhere. We just got back from the farm and had lunch. We really enjoyed it. Definitely recommend, if you're in the area, checking out Holland Ridge Farm. I think it's open for another maybe like 2 or 3 weeks, so definitely check that out if you're in the area. It's really cute, really pretty there. Came home and took a shower because I did get a little dirty just from the dirt blowing up because it was a bit windy when we went. I think we're actually gonna go to the beach and just prolong this warm 80-degree day. Pretty crazy for New Jersey in April, hotter than it typically would be. We're gonna make the most of it and have ourselves a little beach day. It's already kind of late. They stretch like cats do. It's a few few days later since I last vlogged. I wasn't really doing too much the last 2 days, kind of just working and taking walks, that kind of stuff. So I haven't vlogged since we did the day at the farm and the beach, which was a beautiful day. Holland Ridge Farms is going until April 30th. So if you guys want to check it out, I recommend doing it ASAP while they're still open and while they still have the tulips in bloom. But I thought I would pick up the camera because we're gonna do a little wedding dress try on moment. So my sister is getting married next year, so she's gonna be trying on some dresses today, and she said I can vlog some of it. Guess I'll get some clips of her trying it on. And we're gonna go to Couture, which is a pretty big dress shop in New Jersey. It's in Central Jersey, so that's the plan for today.
A little bit more modern base pattern. Yeah, this is very traditional. Yeah. Okay, that's great to know. Yeah. I don't know, there's just something about the outfit. Maybe it's not sitting with me today, you know? Yeah. And some super flattering.
Jackie, what do you think of like the top part? Like how it goes straight across?
I don't know about like the thick straps, like where I stand with that, you know?
We just got back from the wedding dress try-ons, and I think it went really well. She was able to get an idea of what styles that she likes or doesn't like, and we were really into, I think it was like the sweetheart neckline. That was the first thing that she had tried on, and I thought that looked really pretty. Most of the dresses that she was trying on were in like the $2,500 to $5,000 range, and I think one of the dresses was like $10,000 or something. So there's definitely like a big range in wedding dress prices, and I don't really know anything about this, so it's interesting. But yeah, she may go back another day and try some more dresses on. I think she tried 7 on in total, and I was trying to get videos and pictures of each one that she had tried on. She wasn't totally in love with any of the ones that she tried on today, but she was able to kind of get an understanding of what she might want to try on for the next time. But I think I'm going to end off this vlog here, so hopefully you guys all enjoyed this random like New Jersey days in my life, plus some wedding dress try-on footage. Subscribe for more vlogs, more content, follow my socials. I have everything linked down below, and I hope to see you all in the next video.